Unboxing time. Let's see what's inside this package. I've been waiting to try Chaos Control from AppSumo. First impression, sleek, modern app design on display. This is a personal organizer for goals and tasks. If you're busy like me, you'll want to see this. Let's open the app and get started right away. The dashboard is super clean and easy to navigate. Adding a new goal is quick, just a few taps. I'm typing in my weekly goals for a test run. Now let's add some to-do list items underneath. Everything is organized into categories automatically. I love how it separates work, personal, and study tasks. Checking off completed tasks feels so satisfying. The color-coded lists make everything easy to spot. You can prioritize tasks with simple drag and drop. No more forgetting deadlines or missing appointments. Let's check out the reminders feature next. Setting up reminders is fast and totally customizable. I set a daily reminder for my morning routine. Notifications pop up right when you need them. Syncs across devices, phone, tablet, even desktop. So convenient for switching between work and home. Let's talk about productivity. This app really delivers. Having all my lists in one place saves so much time. I feel more focused and less overwhelmed already. The interface is intuitive, no learning curve at all. Perfect for busy professionals juggling multiple projects. Students will love the assignment tracking features. Productivity seekers, this could be your new secret weapon. Let's look at the highlights again. Streamlined organization. Boosts productivity with well-structured task lists. Easy to use, but packed with powerful features. I appreciate the flexibility. Customize lists as needed. No ads, no clutter, just pure organization. If you struggle with staying on top of tasks, try this. I'm honestly impressed by how much smoother my day feels. It's like having a personal assistant in my pocket. I recommend checking out Chaos Control on AppSumo today. AppSumo has the best deal for this organizer right now. Don't wait. Boost your productivity with Chaos Control. Link is in the description. Grab your deal before it's gone. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts below.